Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Isabel. Today I wanted to make a video on all of the products that I've been loving and some tips and things that I've been doing to bring my hair back to life. I recently cut it off a couple months ago. What month are we in? November. So I think September I cut it off, or late August. No, late August I cut it off. And I was bleaching and toning my hair at home for a while by myself, and pretty much what happened is I was overlapping bleach, not all over my entire head, but some parts in the back where I couldn't see and some parts on the top, and I really damaged my hair. So I found out the hard way that sometimes taking the cheaper and easier way out can actually just be more harmful in the long run. As you can see, I have let my roots grow out quite a bit. For right now, I'm really gonna try to, for as long as I can, wait to get my hair done. So before I started bleaching my hair, I would get a full head of foil highlights every 6 to 8 weeks. I would try to wait as long as I could until my roots really annoyed me, and then I would go in and get my hair done. So last spring I bleached all of my hair, and I went into the salon to do that to my normal hairstylist, and then after that I started bleaching my hair myself. I have a video on how I used to do that. And then I started going to Sally's and buying like the bigger tubs of the bleach and the volume so that it was a lot less expensive. So tip number one is to get your hair professionally done. Whatever you want to get done, have a professional do it and help you. It is going to cost more money, but like I said, in the long run, it's gonna cost probably more if you do it yourself and mess up and just completely damage your hair like myself. So I can be a guinea pig for you and tell you not to do that. So also with that being said about my roots is that I'm trying to wait as long as I can to get my roots done. I don't think I'm gonna bleach my hair anymore. I think I'm gonna go back to getting highlight. The bleach is just really harsh on my hair, and it's definitely caused it some serious damage, and this whole video is about bringing my hair back to life, and that's really what I've been working on the past couple of months, and I've found some awesome products. So first of all, I'm just gonna get out of the way 2 amazing products to keep the brassiness out of your hair. Most likely, if you are here watching this video, if you found this video, then you have blonde hair because we're repairing bleached blonde hair. So just some products that are amazing for keeping the brassy tones out are the Matrix Total Results Brass Off. I got this at Ulta. This is very inexpensive. I've had this for a few months now and I still have a bunch left. I don't use this every single shampoo. And that being said, I only wash my hair once a week. Sometimes it's twice a week. It depends on like what's going on that week, if it's like gross and I need to wash it. But I will switch between this shampoo and one that I'm gonna show you in a minute. But this is amazing, and this will seriously turn your hair purple if you leave it on for too long. Don't be scared. Like, I leave it on for 5 minutes, but it really seriously works. I know so many shampoos that I've tried that don't make a difference at all, and this one seriously works. So get this one, the Matrix Total Results Brass Off at Ulta. Okay, and then another really good brass off product is the Kenra Brightening Treatment Intense Violet Toning Mask. So I love this stuff. I use it, I don't use these hand in hand together. I'll use this one separately. I don't want my hair to literally turn violet if I'm using all these products on it. This is a super thick hair mask. So I will shampoo my hair and then douse my hair in this and leave it on for about 5 minutes and just rinse it out, and it's super moisturizing. That's the one thing that I love about it. It's toning your hair and it's giving your hair a lot of moisture. So I highly recommend this. It is a little more pricey, but if you're looking for a good hair mask that's a toner as well, I definitely recommend. All right, so next we have the Olaplex Shampoo and Conditioner. I got these a couple months ago, and my hairstylist told me to get these when she cut my hair off. And because I told her, I was like, I'm doing everything right. I need to bring my hair back to life. And she was like, get the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. So I literally ordered them in her chair from Sephora when I was getting my hair done. And at first, I wasn't noticing like a huge difference. Like my hair, it was fine, but like, I was just like, okay, like, is it gonna be that great? Because I had used the Olaplex number 3 before. I've used that multiple times before, and I really, really liked that. So I don't know, I just didn't really know. But lately, my hair has transformed because of these. I need the tiniest bit. Not the tiniest bit, but like you're not gonna like squeeze it into your hand. You just need like maybe a nickel size, rub it between your fingers and wash your hair with it. The conditioner, you will need a little bit more than like a nickel size depending on how long your hair is, but you want to get it all over your hair and you leave it in your hair for 5 minutes. So I don't know like which one is better. I use them both together and I really am liking the results, and I'm going to continue to use them because Olaplex is great at rebonding the hair that has just been like destroyed and really giving it what it needs to come back to life. They both say on them that they repair, strengthen, and hydrates for all hair types. So honestly, any kind of hair that you have, I would recommend these to anyone. So along with that is the Olaplex number 3. Now, my hairstylist told me to use this once a week, but I use it once every other week, if I remember. I usually do, but if I'm like that's the day that I'm washing my hair, I don't have enough time, sometimes I don't always do this. What I usually like to do is do this on a pamper night when I take a bath. I'll wet my hair in the shower, put this on, get in the bath and soak and just leave it on for however long I'm in the bath. And then when I shower after my bath, I wash it out, because this is a treatment that you need to wash out. You don't just rinse it out, you shampoo and conditioner after using this. So this has made a huge difference. I'm sure you've seen this. It is very pricey for the teeny amount you get, but it's totally worth it. I go through probably one of these every 5-6 months, and I just get mine off Amazon. They smell amazing. They make such a huge difference in your hair, and I don't think I'll ever stop using this. It's really changed my hair. So this is another leave-in conditioner that smells to die. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. So this is a very intense moisturizer hair mask conditioner that I used to use all the time before I got the Olaplex and all the things I just talked about. I still do have this though if I'm like in the mood to use it because it smells so good, and you get out of the shower and your hair feels silky smooth. It does an amazing job. The only thing is about this, that why I stopped using it is because, like I said, I only wash my hair once a week, maybe twice, and I feel like it does kind of oil down, like make my hair kind of oily pretty fast. But that's the only thing that it does. It is almond and protein and ceramides, repairs up to 1 year damage, and it is the Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm, and I highly recommend this if you're looking for a cheaper alternative. Even if you're not, to have this to do a nice deep conditioning hair mask, this is awesome. All right, and then we have the It's a 10, and this is the Miracle Leave-In product. Now, this has been around for probably longer than I've been alive, and I just picked this up in the beginning of the summer. This stuff is amazing. It smells amazing. I douse my hair with it after I get out of the shower when I wash my hair, and you could brush through it and it would just glide right through. It's great. I feel like it does help strengthen my hair, helps detangle it. It says it repairs dry, damaged hair, adds shine, detangles, frizz, creates silkiness, and enhances natural body. And oh, it says it's a flat iron spray and thermal protection. So this is just like an oldie but goodie, amazing. You need to get it. Okay, and lastly, this is the only hair serum that I use. I love it. It is the BioSilk Silk Therapy. I got like the really big one. You just need a teeny bit, run it through your fingers and put it all through your hair. You can use this wet or dry. I usually use it wet, but if my hair is like frizzy and not cooperating, I will put a little bit on the ends. This is just great. I feel like it makes a big difference in the texture of my hair. I'm really happy with it. I used to use a Moroccan oil, and this completely, in my opinion, is way better. It's much thicker and smells amazing too. A couple more things that I just wanted to mention before I end the video about what I've been doing to really try to take it easy on my hair. When it comes to heat on my hair, I don't even own a blow dryer. I have never and still don't ever blow dry my hair. I let it air dry, and my hair dries pretty fast. I know some people, like, their hair takes like an entire day to dry, but for me personally, my hair dries pretty fast, and I do not put any heat on my hair. When it's wet, I'm saying. When it comes to straightening or curling my hair, max that I use heat is 2 times a week. That's the max I will use heat. Today I straightened my hair, and I'm not planning on straightening it again until, actually this weekend I have to. It's my son's birthday party, but that will be my second time. If I even need to, it might just stay fine, you know? But really stay cautious of that, of how much heat you're putting on your hair, because it does cause a ton of damage. And if your hair is damaged already, it's just gonna not help anything out. If I wash my hair at night, which isn't always, I usually wash it in the morning, but when I do wash it at night and then go to bed and it's still damp, I put my hair in 2 braids and I go to sleep like that, so I don't wake up and have my hair everywhere. Also kind of keeps it all safe and not flying everywhere and breaking on your pillow and things like that. I do want to order a silk pillowcase. I've heard good and bad things about them, that they can be uncomfortable and you slip and slide everywhere, but they're good for your skin and hair. So I'm definitely going to do that. Let me know if you guys use a silk pillowcase and have seen any good results. I also recommend cutting your hair. For me, my hair was so damaged, and the ends were, I had so much hair up here, and then the ends were just like these like little, I called it a tail, like my little tail. So there's a lot more hair than there was. My hair went down to here, and it was just like little strings of hair. And my hairstylist was like, no, it's not a tail. And then when we were done, she was like, yeah, it was kind of a tail that you had. So really just cut your hair. Like, it's okay, it's hair, it will grow back. If it's damaged, get rid of it. I'm gonna continue to get trims when I get my hair done. Every time I get my hair done, I'm gonna have her trim it a little bit to just really keep it fresh and healthy. And if I want to have longer hair, I can just put my hair extensions in. So that's another recommendation. If you hate the length of your hair, if you want to have longer hair, get hair extensions. Cut your hair a little bit and get hair extensions. There's your answer. So I hope I helped someone out with this video. If anyone else is on this hair repair journey with me, let me know so I know that I'm not alone. I mean, I know I'm not, but I'm really glad with the results that I've been getting, and I'm gonna continue to do them and really keep my hair like a priority instead of just being like, throw some bleach on it and whatever and it will be fine. Well, you know, I damaged it quite a bit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.